And AB de Villiers were bulls trading on the last day. They couldn't have done much better. All the major benchmark indices, that is the Sensex, Nifty and the Bank Nifty, ended the day at their 2016 closing highs. The Sensex and the Nifty have rallied over 4% in the last two trading sessions alone, with the former gaining 485 points in trade today. The Nifty too reclaimed the 8,000 peak and closed easily above the 80-50 mark. The Nifty Bank gained about 360 points, while the mid-caps were up about 1% in trade. L&T has a stellar day in trade today, as it had the biggest one-day gain in the last 7 years. Anuj Singhal is standing by to decode the numbers further for us. Anuj, the bulls are refusing to take a breather.
Well, what a phenomenal day for the market. I dare say even better than yesterday, because yesterday you got a gap up and then built on from that. Today there was not even a gap up, and the global markets were not outperforming, and still the Indian markets did well. In fact, the Sensex is up 1,100 points in two trading sessions. The Nifty closed above 80-50 at 6-month high. India was the best performing market. Heavyweights led again. In fact, the Sensex is up 4.5% this week, while the mid-cap index is up only 1% this week. So a large part of this move, make no mistake, was expiry driven. And the best example of that is the kind of call surge that we had, the premium surge that we had at calls. 400 to 800% after nearly 1,000 to 1,500% surge yesterday. So in these 2 days, call buyers have made phenomenal money. Let's talk about the stocks that led the market. Larsen & Toubro was the biggest contributor, nearly 35 points on account of Larsen alone. SBI, ICICI, and some of the other banking names like Axis, Yes, and Kotak also did well. Infosys, ITC, and HDFC were the other big gainers in today's trade. There were some losers today, stocks like Bharti Infra, HCL Tech, and Sun Pharma. Not too much action outside the index, but still a couple of stocks stood out. Ujjivan, phenomenal numbers, and the market rewarded that. And Ashok Leyland recovered after yesterday's fall. And Indiabulls Real Estate also did well. So all in all, exceptional 2 days for the bulls. It's been an exceptional week, and the markets are clearly in bull script now.
All right, Anuj, thanks for joining in with that. Meanwhile, oil prices